Hi everyone! Today I want to do an unboxing, which is a birthday gift that I bought for myself from Louis Vuitton, obviously. And guess what it is? It's a bag, yes. And it is the Marelle bag in black. It has a detachable canvas pouch in white with this black monogram printed on it. Inside of the pouch, there are two straps. The first one is this long strap, and we have another shorter strap. First of all, I'm gonna attach the shorter strap. And here's the beautiful Appy leather in sunshine. Here is what it looks like on my shoulder, which is perfect size for my height. For your reference, I'm 5'6" tall. And here's the longer strap that is adjustable. And this is what it looks like when I wear it as a crossbody. So now I'm gonna remove this pouch. And this is what it looks like without the pouch, which is very minimal and elegant. There are so many ways to wear this bag. And this is with the pouch. So let's see what's inside. There is an internal pouch that you can put your cards in it. This bag is made of Appy leather, which is the Vachetta leather, the most durable leather type in the entire Louis Vuitton series. I think she is just gorgeous.